Hey, it's Tanika with Magnolia Home Decor. I'd like to welcome you to a segment of Personal Touch. Today I would like to talk about a quartz from Silestone. This quartz is called Copper Mist. As you can see here, this quartz has a gray background with a little bit of copper and some little sparkles in it if you kind of like that bling look, that bling effect. I'd also like to show you one of the hardwood floors that I personally would like to pair with this, and this color is called Rhine. This is a hardwood floor by Wood Floors. Can you see how this flooring accents this quartz? Can you imagine this being in your kitchen? And for finishes with this one, I would do a brushed nickel finish for your faucets. I think that would really pull out the copper in the quartz. Now, another flooring that I would like to give you a flooring option, if you like more of the lighter honey color hardwood floors, I'd like to introduce you to Wabash. Wabash, also from Wood Floors. This also pairs very well with the lighter hues in the quartz. If you can see how this Wabash will bring out the lighter hues, and with this one you can use either the nickel finished faucets or the stainless steel faucets. Either one would work really well with this one. So you do have options. Thank you for watching this segment of Personal Touch. Remember, for all of your countertop and flooring needs, give us a call at Magnolia Home Decor, 678-272-6565.